Hi, in this session I am going to discuss the logical programs of the loops. Okay, now in the previous session I had discussed what is syntax for the for, while and do while. Okay, now we will do the some logical program so you'll understand better. Okay, we will get started with first program. Write a program to display the math table entered by user. Okay, now user is going to enter some particular number. Okay, now let us assume that he is entering two number. Okay, he is going to enter two number, then you are going to give the math table. Okay, you are going to tell that 2 into 1 equal to 2. Okay, then you are giving 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay, like this you are going to display the table 2. Okay, now 2 into 3 equal to 6. Like this, how many times he want, till what length he want, you are going to make the particular user to see which table he has entered. Correspondingly, that particular table should be displayed at the console. Okay, now let's get started with this. Okay, now how many integers you are expecting in this particular program? Now user is going to enter the table number. So it is going to be on which format? He is going to enter the particular table number in integer format. Int a semicolon. Okay, int a. Now the particular user should know what to enter. Now you are telling the user that enter table number. Enter table number. Okay, now the user will come to know that he need to enter the table number. Okay, so that he will be able to see that particular table, map table he can see. Okay, now see in greater than. Okay, now you are going to take the value which is entered by the user, which is going to be in a variable. Okay, now see here. Next, what is the loop syntax for syntax? Int I equal to. Now if you see this particular program, it is incrementing I value by 1. Okay, every time it is incrementing by 1. 1 it is taking, 2 it is taking, 3 it is taking, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's going to be, I is going to increment by what factor? It is going to increment by 1. Okay, now I is going to start from where? It is starting from 1. Okay, it is starting from 1. The loop is going to start from 1. Then if I want to see some till 10, 2 tens are 10. Okay, 2 tens 10. Till 10 I want to see. Then I am going to write it as I less than or equal to 10. Okay, then semicolon I plus plus, because I am going to increment every time the I value by 1. Okay, then I am going to write I plus plus. Okay, what you want to see at the console? What you want to see at the console? Now first you want to see at the console which value of the particular number is entered. Okay, now if I am entering A, okay, now A equal to 3. Okay, then if A equal to 2, then I should see 2. Okay, then I am writing A here. Okay, now less than. Now I need to see cross mark. Now I have to see cross mark. It does not have any logic, so enclosed in the double quote. Okay, it does not have any logic. Okay, now see here. Now this particular value, every time it is going to increment by what factor? It is going to increment by 1 factor. Okay, now I is holding that particular thing. First it is starting from 1. It is going to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 10 till 10 it is going. Okay, now see here. Now I am going to write here. Okay, I. Now less than. What's the next equal to? Equal to sign you're expecting. Equal to does not have any logic. So if you don't have any logic, the same thing which should display in the console, then what you are writing, you are going to enclose in the double quote. Okay, write it in the double quote, equal to. Okay, then what's the next string? Okay, it has some logic. Okay, it has some logic. Whatever the user is entering, that number is going to be multiplied by what factor? It's going to be multiplied by I. Okay, now if a user is entering A, then you need to multiply with what factor? I. Okay, now after each execution, you are expecting next line. Okay, after 2 is displayed, then again go to next line. Okay, do this operation, then go to next line, do this next operation. Then you are going to add what factor? What you are going to write? E and DL, that's nothing but end of the line. After each particular execution of this, go to the next line. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, let's run this program and see what the particular console it is going to show. Okay, now enter the table number. Now enter according to your choice you can enter. Okay, now 2 I have entered. Now I am able to see 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8. Like that till what I am able to see? 2 tens 20 I am able to see. Now let the user know. Okay, let the user decide till where it need to stop. Then what you are going to do? You are going to take one more variable, n I am taking. Okay, now n is going to be of integer type. Now you are telling to the user. Okay, now you are telling to the user enter the length of the table, enter the length of the table. Okay, now user is deciding, okay, enter the length of the table. Now user is deciding till what length he want to see, till 10 he want to see, or till 20 he want to see, till whatever he want to see, he can see. Okay, seen greater than n. That's nothing but n is going to show what till which factor it need to stop. Okay, it need to stop the iterations. Okay, let me run this code. Okay, now it is asking for enter the table number. I have given 2. Okay, now it is asking enter the length of the table. Enter the length of the table. Then I am entering here 20. Okay, then what you are expecting? It is showing T2 2 ones 2 till where it is stopping 2 into 2 equal to 40. Okay, till that particular point it is stopping. Okay, now see here what is the logic is. So first what it is taking? First what it is taking? It is taking the value of a. First it is taking the value of a. Okay, first it is taking the value of a. Okay, first it is taking the value of a 2. Okay, cross mark it is shown the same. Okay, cross mark only. Then I is taking what value? 1 value it is taking. Then equal to is displayed. Then equal to is displayed. Then a into I. At that instance, what is a value? A is 2. Next it is going to be 1. 2 into 1 it is going to be 2. The next step 2 into 2 it is 4. 2 into 6 is 6. After each iteration it is going to take that particular I value and that particular instance loop value it is taking and is multiplying with that particular factor. Okay, that's how this is going to calculate. Okay, now that's fine. Okay, now we are able to see one particular table. Now I want to see this particular 2 table, and next to this I want to make the user to enter one more number. Okay, one more number. If he is entering 3, okay, then I should see here 2 table. Next to this I need to see 3 table. Then what's the change I am going to make? So one more variable I am going to take. Okay, one more variable I am going to take. Okay, this time see here a, b and n. Okay, now first enter the table number 1. Enter the table number 1. Okay, now he is going to enter the table number 1. Now you are going to tell to the user enter the table 2. Enter the table 2 which he wants to see. Then where you are taking from b it is storing. Okay, b it is storing. Now what the change you are going to make? Here copy the same because everything is going to remain same. Okay, everything is going to remain same. Copy the same code, but here you are going to make some difference. See, correspondingly after executing this one, next what is the expected? What you are expecting? Tab space. Expect the tab space. After execution of the tab space, then give the value of b into I equal to b into I. B into I. What happens with this particular statement? See here. It is expecting 2 values. Okay, it is expecting 2 values. Enter table number. I am telling first table number is 2. Okay, now enter table number 2. Okay, which you want to see next? I want some 3. Okay, I want some 3. Then try to run this one. Okay, what's the length of the table you want to see? Okay, now see here. Two table I am able to see with some tab space. With some tab space, I am able to display 3 table also next to this. Okay, like this if you want to execute n number of tables, if you want the particular user to enter 3 or 4 tables at the same time, then take that many variables a, b, b, c, d. Like that you can take n number of variables and then you can make the particular user to enter the particular numbers and then you can display what length he want. Okay, he want to see till 10, he want to see till 20. Okay, let the user decide what length he want to see. Okay, this is how you are going to make use of the loops instead of writing every time this 20 lines. Okay, 20 lines you are going to write this way. Okay, you are making this particular statement, whichever the particular statement to execute n number of times. That particular statement you are going to enclose in the block and then that block is going to iterate till the particular condition is satisfied. What's the condition you have written here? I less than or equal to 10. N. Okay, what is this n? N is going to be entered by the user till that many iterations you need to do. Enter the length of the table. Okay, enter the length of the table. Okay, enter the length of the table means he is going to enter till what particular length he want to see. He want to see. Okay, that particular length he is going to see. Okay, now see here. Let me run once again. Okay, like if he is going to enter 4 number, okay, if he is entering 4 number, then I am entering 5 number. I want the length is to be 10. Till 10 it is going and it is stopping. See here, 4 into 1 equal to 4. Then till 10 it is going to execute. Then it is stopping the execution. Okay, same thing. The same program can be executed using while and do while also. Let's take it. Just take it as an assignment and try to do the same particular pattern to get executed using while and do while also. Okay, while and do while. Okay. So that's all for this session. We'll continue in the next session. Thank you.